So it is a Thursday afternoon at about 4 o'clock, and I find myself at the end of Khaosan Road, or let's see on the sign there, Khaosan. During COVID, this place was absolutely dead because obviously all the backpackers and people that normally come here couldn't come into the country. But I've heard that recently it's been quite busy. I don't know about night, but right now it's daytime, so I'm just going to walk you down there and just show you, give you an idea of what it's like in the daytime on a Thursday afternoon. I think it's 3:15 actually on a Thursday afternoon. So I'll turn the camera around, just walk down. I'm not going to talk, I won't interfere, so you can just hear the sounds and see the sights and see what it's like on Khaosan Road. Let's go. Yeah, okay. Hello. Oh. Hello.
You want?
Oh, massage. Not just now.
No.
Look at this. Thank you. Hello.
ครับ Where you go ครับ
Down here. Good. Hello. So yeah, that's Khaosan Road on a Thursday afternoon at about 3:30, 3:15. So there's not a whole lot going on. I didn't expect there would be in the daytime, but what I would say is I came here last year, or about a year ago, and the place was pretty dead. A lot of the places were shut, a lot of the shops were closed. I think the McDonald's was closed, if I remember rightly. Like everything was just kind of half open. It was just sort of starting to recover. So the good thing is, it's good to see that it is recovering. Everything seems to be back open, and I imagine it will be absolutely heaving at night time because everything looked, alive. Everything was back to normal, which is really good to see. There's loads of fruit sellers, vendors selling things, tuk-tuks, tattoo artists. I was a bit surprised that there's only 1 or 2 weed shops because you go some places and there's cannabis dispensaries everywhere. And I thought this would be absolute prime location for that kind of thing with all the backpackers and everything. But yeah, there's only 1 or 2, so that's one thing to note. If you've watched it, thanks for watching the video, and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.